Hey everyone, this is Martin, your local real estate agent in the San Fernando Valley. I hope everyone's doing well. I want to say Happy New Year's to all of my friends and family. Welcome to 2021. So I wanted to make this video because I've been talking to a lot of my friends and family and my clients, and they're all interested in some of the programs when it comes to mortgages. What are some of the mortgage programs that are available? And so I decided to make this video to educate you guys a little bit about some of the loan programs that are available today. As of January 14, 2020, these are the programs that are available today. I do want to remind you though, I am not a loan officer. I am a realtor. So my job is to make sure I find you the best house for the best price and negotiate on your behalf in buying a house. And then the loan officer's job is to make sure you can approve you for the loan based on your income, your credit, your debt, your income, all of that stuff. So first of all, here's the first program I want to talk to you guys about. It's called the FHA program. The Federal Housing Administration, that's what it stands for. This is a 3.5% minimum down payment requirement. You must have a 2-year job tax return. You got to show 2 years of taxes. And it can be anywhere between 15 to 30 year mortgage. And the great thing about it is because it is a governmental loan and it has to be you have to be a first-time buyer. It can't be a second home. It has to be a first-time buyer home, and it has one of the best rates on the market. The second loan program is called the VA loan. The VA loan is designed for Veterans Administration. So all the veterans that served in the Army, the Marines, the Navy, the Air Force, any military branch, I want to first of all say thank you for all you do for serving in the military for us. And I want to tell you about this program, which is the only program that's still available with 0% down. So if you've been in the military and you're looking to buy a house, don't have the down payment, this would be a great program for you to go ahead and qualify for to buy a house. Of course, you have to show income. You got to show that you have a great job in order to qualify so you can make the payments. The next program that's available, is called the conventional loan. This is a fixed rate loan that's usually anywhere between 15 to 30 years. Most people get 30-year loan, and you have to show a 2-year tax return and a minimum of 5% down in order for you to qualify for this conventional loan. The next program, it's the bank statement program. This is actually a very interesting program that my loan officer had told me about that I want to share with you. So if you're a business owner and you've been in business for at least 2 years, and most business owners, they tend to show a lot of expenses, show a lot of maybe even exaggerate their expenses, so they don't have a lot of income to show through the taxes. So this does not require any taxes with tax returns, but they do require that you have a 2 years of a bank statement of all the income that's been coming in. And you can use that bank statement as an income instead of showing your taxes. It does require a minimum of 10% down. And the other cool thing is it doesn't have a PMI. So PMIs can range anywhere between $150 to, it could be up to $500 depending on the amount of the loan. But what PMI stands for is private mortgage insurance. So anybody that puts less than 20% down are required to pay a PMI. So the conventional loans, the FHA loan, all the loans, if you're putting less than 20% down, you are required to pay a PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. What it does is basically, God forbid, you're not able to pay your mortgage or you don't want to pay your mortgage for whatever reason, then the bank will make sure that their loan is insured so they can get paid. That's where PMI comes in order for them to give you the loan. So in this type of program, you don't have a PMI. So for anyone that's a business owner, you're saving a lot of money not paying the PMI. You are required to pay 10% down though, and show bank statements. The next program that's available is the VOE. This is also very popular as well. VOE stands for Verification of Employment. Now, a lot of people that I've helped in the past that are only verifying their employment without any tax returns usually will pay 5 or 10% down. But in this situation now, in today's market, there's still a few banks that are still working with VOEs, and they require that you put at least 20% down. And what is VOE? Basically, they verify your employer. The bank calls your employer and says, does so-and-so work here? Does so-and-so make this kind of money? Does so-and-so have a steady income? And they give you the loan. based on your employer, and they make sure that you at least put 20% down in order to qualify for the loan. Okay. The next program is the 1099 program. So if you're an independent contractor, it could be like a truck driver, it could be Uber driver, it could be working in your own business and you're an independent contractor. Well, this is a really good program because, in a W-2 sense, you have to show 2-year taxes. In the 1099 situation, you only use a 1-year tax. So right now is a really good time. The timing is perfect because you haven't done your taxes yet. And if you're planning to buy a house this year, you want to make sure you get together with your loan officer and your accountant and making sure you account for the right amount of income in order to qualify for a loan in the amount that you want. So if you want a $700,000 house this year, you want to make sure you get in touch with your accountant and your loan officer and making sure they can help you with showing the right amount of income to get the loan. And then I really hope this video was really helpful. So this is all the programs that were available that I know of. There could be more, there could be others, but these are some of the programs that are popular and I talked to with my loan officer. Of course, if some of this stuff was confusing in this video, you can always call me at 818-371-9283 and I will elaborate on some of these loan program that I talked to you about. If you don't have any loan officers and you're interested in learning more about some of the loan officers, I can go ahead and refer you a few and you can talk to them as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice day. Bye-bye now.